my name is Janet Roberts. I'm with Relay for Life of Sedgwick County. The month of June, we wanted to do some Wellness Wednesday videos. So we will have some quick videos on exercising, stretching, meditation, and eating well. This video, I will show you how to make a healthy smoothie. Smoothies have great benefits. They taste great, help you eat more fruits and vegetables, which is the foundation of a cancer protective diet. So let's get started. You'll need 2 cups of frozen blueberries. Frozen blueberries are a secret to the milk-like consistency. You will need a half a cup of OJ, a container of any kind of yogurt that you like, Greek, non-fat, fat, and a half of a frozen banana, and a half of pure vanilla extract. So you'll place it all in the blender, squish it in there. The blender on and pulse it for about 30 to 35 seconds. Just want to blend it all up. It's all blended. You can take it out. And if you want to make these ahead of time, you can put them in a muffin tin and freeze them, and then take them out and put them in plastic freezer bags. And then you can take these and place them in a blender. Might need some more juice, and blend them up, and you have a quick and easy smoothie. So then you can just pour this into your glass. I'm using a mason jar that has a lid that you can use a straw with. So you just pour it in. And if you're using it to go, you can take the seal on it and place it on there, and then take your straw, and you can go. And when you get to work, you can open it up, take your seal off, put your lid back on, and you're ready to drink. Yummy. If you have cancer, eating right can give you the strength you need. Smoothies are a way to get the nutrients your body uses to fight the disease and handles the effects of the treatment. Smoothies are a good option if your treatments give you side effects. They are cold, so they soothe a sore mouth or throat. If you're just too tired to eat or don't have an appetite, drinking your calories may be an easy alternative. I hope you enjoy the smoothies, and thank you.